Asterisk entrepreneurs who started a digital marketing company in Dubai. 2024-25 asterisk. Dubai, a global hub for entrepreneurship and innovation, continues to attract visionary entrepreneurs eager to capitalize on its dynamic business landscape and vibrant digital economy. In the years 2024-25, several ambitious individuals seized the opportunity to establish their digital marketing companies in Dubai, paving the way for innovative solutions and impactful strategies in the ever-evolving world of online marketing. Let's explore the stories of some of these trailblazing entrepreneurs who embarked on their journey to success. Asterisk 1. Sara Al-Fassi, founder of Pixel Perfect Marketing. Asterisk. Sara Al-Fassi, a digital marketing enthusiast with a passion for creativity and strategy, founded Pixel Perfect Marketing in Dubai in 2024. With a background in graphic design and a keen understanding of consumer behavior, Sara saw an opportunity to bridge the gap between aesthetics and analytics in digital marketing. Pixel Perfect Marketing specializes in visually stunning content creation, social media management, and branding strategies tailored to engage and inspire audiences. Sara's dedication to innovation and client satisfaction has earned Pixel Perfect Marketing a reputation for excellence in Dubai's competitive market. Asterisk 2. Ahmed Hassan, co-founder of TechTrend Digital Solutions. Asterisk. Ahmed Hassan, a tech-savvy entrepreneur with a knack for problem-solving, co-founded TechTrend Digital Solutions in Dubai in 2025. Recognizing the growing demand for data-driven marketing solutions, Ahmed and his team developed cutting-edge software and analytics platforms to empower businesses with actionable insights and measurable results. TechTrend Digital Solutions offers a comprehensive suite of services, including SEO optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and conversion rate optimization, helping clients maximize their online presence and drive business growth in the digital age. Asterisk 3. Fatima Khalid, CEO of Insightful Marketing Consultants. Asterisk. Fatima Khalid, a seasoned marketing strategist with a passion for innovation and strategy, established Insightful Marketing Consultants in Dubai in 2024. Leveraging her extensive experience in market research and consumer psychology, Fatima leads a team of dedicated professionals who specialize in crafting data-driven marketing strategies and personalized customer experiences. Insightful Marketing Consultants empower businesses to understand their target audience, identify growth opportunities, and navigate the complexities of the digital landscape with confidence and clarity. Asterisk 4. Abdullah Al-Mansouri, founder of Digital Dynasty Agency. Asterisk. Abdullah Al-Mansouri, a visionary entrepreneur with a flair for creativity and entrepreneurship, launched Digital Dynasty Agency in Dubai in 2025. Inspired by Dubai's spirit of innovation and ambition, Abdullah set out to build a digital marketing agency that combines artistic excellence with strategic acumen. Digital Dynasty Agency offers a wide range of services, including content marketing, influencer collaborations, and immersive brand experiences, helping clients stand out in a crowded digital marketplace and leave a lasting impression on their audience. Asterisk 5. Mariam Khalifa, CEO of NextGen Marketing Solutions. Asterisk. Mariam Khalifa, a dynamic business leader with a passion for driving growth and innovation, assumed the role of CEO at NextGen Marketing Solutions in Dubai in 2024. With a focus on emerging technologies and data-driven insights, Mariam leads a team of forward-thinking marketers who specialize in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation to deliver targeted and personalized marketing solutions. NextGen Marketing Solutions empowers businesses to adapt to the digital age, stay ahead of the competition, and achieve sustainable growth in an ever-changing landscape. Feel free to contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058. Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. These entrepreneurs exemplify the spirit of innovation, creativity, and determination that defines Dubai's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Through their digital marketing companies, they are shaping the future of online advertising, driving business growth, and making a lasting impact on the global stage. If you are ready to embark on your own journey to success in the digital marketing realm, feel free to contact us at +91 9864170343 for a free consultation. Our team of experts is here to help you turn your vision into reality and achieve your goals in the vibrant city of Dubai. इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you. इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।